Here's how to register Milwaukee Tools for warranty in just 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide why you may not need to register at all, how to check your warranty, and what you should keep for future service. First, open the Milwaukee Tool website on your phone or computer. From the support page, select Registration and Warranty. You'll see Milwaukee's warranty information, including coverage details and service options. The important part is that you do not need to complete a registration form to activate an applicable warranty. Next, check your tool's warranty information for the specific product category. Warranty periods can vary, so don't assume every Milwaukee tool has the same coverage. Then keep your original receipt, invoice, or bill of sale with the tool. Proof of purchase can help Milwaukee verify the purchase date and warranty period. After that, locate the tool's serial number or manufacturer date code. Milwaukee can use the tool's manufacturer date to determine warranty coverage when proof of purchase is unavailable. Now, if you need to check whether your specific tool is covered, open Milwaukee's warranty checker and search using the product name, keyword, or model number. Once you find your tool, review the listed warranty period and coverage conditions. If the tool develops a qualifying defect, use Milwaukee's e-service option or find an authorized service center for repair. Warranty repairs for qualifying products are handled at no charge. If you don't see this option, there's another way. For compatible tools, add the tool to your one-key inventory, enter the purchase date when available, and use the app to track its estimated warranty period. This is useful for keeping records, but it is not required warranty registration. So what does "you may not need to" actually mean? Milwaukee says products bought from authorized distributors automatically come with applicable warranty, so registration is unnecessary. Once everything is set, your Milwaukee tool will have its warranty information identified with your purchase records ready for future service. Following these simple steps makes registering Milwaukee tools for warranty quick and easy.